worshipful homage unto the Supreme Divine Reality, which is infinite, eternal, all-transcending, absolute and non-dual. It is the one without a second. And yet we speak of Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer or dissolver. Creation, preservation, dissolution seem to be a threefold function allotted to three different deities. Or maybe they are not three different deities. Maybe they are three manifested aspects of one deity only. How is that possible, Swami? Can aspects take separate forms with separate features? Brahma has 4 faces. He is seated on a lotus, and in his hands he keeps different things. He keeps a kamandal, he keeps a mala, he keeps a book. All that represent wisdom, etc. Vishnu has 4 arms. Shankachakra Kada Padma, the conch, the discus, the mace, and the lotus flower. His vehicle is Garuda, a great Brahmini kite. There is a normal eagle or kite, but the Brahmini kite is tawny in color, reddish brown, and it has got a big snow white band underneath its throat. So even today we call it Garuda Pakshi. Brahma's vehicle is a swan. Shiva's vehicle is a bull. Rishabha Vahana, Nandi. Not Nandi. Nandi is the chief officer, Ganas. Nandi, Rishabha Vahana they call him. He rides upon a Rishabha. Rishabha is a bull. And so they have distinct features, distinct ornaments. Shiva is adorned with serpents. Vishnu is adorned by Vajayanti Mala and Kaustubha gem shining in the center of his heart. And Brahma is adorned by a garland of flowers. It is possible for one, even without becoming numerous, to be seen as totally different. In a family, a joint family, is brother to his younger brothers. He is a son to his aged, retired parents whom he is taking care of. Now here is a being at once a brother as well as a son. He is a husband to his Dharmapatni, lawfully wedded wife. But he is a father to his children. To his children he is a father. And if one of his sons has been given in marriage, he is a father-in-law to the daughter-in-law who has come to the house. He is a father-in-law. He is a neighbor to a neighbor. If his younger brother has married, he is a brother-in-law to his brother's wife. So, he is a different person, but yet he is only one person. So many aspected projection of a personality does not necessarily split the person into many. And as though to bring out this truth and prove the possibility, we have a unique manifestation of the triune deities Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, who is a special object of worship today, which is the day dedicated to the Guru. We call it Guruvar. And sometimes, because the Guru of the celestials is a very wise person called Brihaspati, we sometimes allude to this particular day of the week as Brihaspativar also. Guruvar or Brihaspativar, the fourth day of the week. If weekend is Saturday and Sunday, Sunday concludes the week, then the beginning of a new week, it starts with Monday. Therefore, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, Guruvar, or Somvar, Mangalvar, Budhvar, Brihaspativar. Brihaspati being the Guru of the gods, just as Guru of the Asuras is Shukratarya, who prevented the great giver, Dani, Bali Chakravarti, from giving dana to Lord Vishnu, who had taken the form of the dwarf incarnation or Vamana avatar. Because Indra got frightened, he thought by becoming famous in all the three worlds as the greatest of all givers, this Bali Chakravarti may one day be elevated to my position. He may become Indra. And so he was very afraid. And so he asked Lord Hari to see that this man is somehow or other taken out of this world. And they made a device, and Lord Hari took the incarnation of the dwarf god, Vamana, Brahmachari, Bhatu. And in order to prove this oneness, we have the unique manifestation of God as the great Guru of Gurus, Guru Dattatreya. Guru Dattatreya. He is manifest as the three sons, children. That is the different story of Atri Maharishi and his very chaste wife Anusuya. Hallowed be her name, hallowed be her memory. Anusuya. Atri Maharishi and Anusuya, they got as three children. Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. And later on, these three children became three in one. They became one body, two legs, wooden sandals, 6 arms and 3 faces. One, the face of Brahma to one side, the face of Vishnu to the front, the face of Shiva to the other side. Vishnu's face flanked by the face of Shiva and Brahma. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. So, he became the son of Atri, Atreya. He was given the name of Dattatreya. He is called Trimurti Avatara. Gurudev called him Trimurti Avatara. And he is the primal Guru, the first Guru. who imparted wisdom. And we regard him more or less upon the same level as Dakshinamurti, the Guru, for the Shaivite people. Dakshinamurti, almost an incarnation of Lord Shankara, Shiva. Dattatreya, for the Vaishnavas, is the Adi Guru, great Guru. In lauding the Guru Parampara, the ancient line of Gurus, they say, Sadashiva Samarambham, Shankaracharya Madhyamam, Asmad Acharya Paryantam, Vande Guru Parampara. We may say, Narayana Samarambham, Acharya Traya Madhyamam, Asmad Acharya Paryantam, Vande Guru Parampara. Dattatreya and Dakshinamurti are upon equal path. Dattatreya is young person, in age very young. Chitram Vattaror More, Vridha Shishyaha Yuva Guru, Mauna Vyakhyanam Chinna Samshaya. What a wonderful sight under this tree, Vattaror. Disciples who have come seeking wisdom are very old in age. And the Guru who is sitting giving wisdom is very young. And what all doubts and what all problems, what all questions are there in the minds of these aged disciples, the Guru answers all the questions, removes all the doubts without opening his mouth or uttering a single word. Maunam Vyakhyanam. See, what is the discourse? Not with the amplifiers and loudspeakers and all that. No discourse. Silence. And in that silence, all questions answered, all doubts clear, all wisdom obtained. And Vishnu's triune incarnation as the son of Atri Maharishi and Mahapativrata Sati Anusuya, they hymn as Ado Brahma Madhye Vishnu Ante Deva Sadashiva Murti Traya Swarupaya Dattatreya Namostute Jagadutpatti Kartre Cha Sthiti Sammara Hetave Bhavapashi Vinashaya Dattatreya Namostute.